to make it clean. And then if we can't do it the next day also we have to try.
Correct.
And then send a video or a picture.
Correct. Rajvi, you tell me what we discussed last week and why you did not do that experiment. You will tell me?
No, I did that.
Okay, but you didn't send me any video or pictures of you doing that experiment. How do I know whether you did it or not?
Sister record that. I told her to send.
Oh, is it? Okay. So what did we learn in our class last week? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Bolo.
That near any ocean, any sea, there is a factory of
coming in my book.
a boat that from that sea or ocean they go, and if there is only boat, that boat, all oil will go in the ocean.
Okay, Vihan, what did we learn in our class last week? Vihan,
Yes.
what did we learn in our class last week?
Rivers, ocean.
You don't remember? Vihan, look up here and answer. Do you remember what we did in our class last week?
I only remember homework.
You only remember homework. What was the homework?
The homework was you have to try with oil. You have to try with oil and water without searching anything.
Did you do that experiment at home? Did you try doing it?
Yes.
You did? Then how come you didn't send me your video or photo? You forgot? Hello?
Yes.
How come you all forget Dama like this? I don't think this is grade 2. I think this is children of 80 years old in my class. Yes. सब forget बोल रहे हैं. I did the experiment. I forgot to send. I forgot to do the experiment only. क्या किया था वो ही मुझे याद नहीं. वाह वाह. क्या क्लास है? Somebody is playing big time. Okay. So today I am going to show something else for you all. Okay. Today will be the last part of that class. Today I'll be showing 2 more videos. But before that, I want to ask you one more thing. I had sent those videos that we watched in class last time to all of you to share it with your parents. Did you do that? Did you all share it with your parents and have some?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I shared it with my parents.
Okay.
Find that video.
What, Vihan?
My papa and
I did not find that video.
You didn't find the video. Why? I had sent it across. I had sent 3 videos.
Ma'am, I shared it to my mother because
You
my
showed
mother
it?
was not there.
Okay, no worries. That's good. Very good. Good. You all shared it with parents and watched it. Yes, Tejas?
That experiment was how to take out oil from the water.
Correct.
And we saw
The experiment was about how to take oil out of that water. Okay? Just only if you did that, you will be able to understand how, when an oil spill happens in the ocean, how do they take the oil out of the ocean? Okay? Shall we watch a video how it is done? Shall we watch a video on how it is done? Yeah? You will get to see how, you will get to see how oil is taken out of the ocean. Let us watch. Are we ready, Vihan? Are you ready to watch it? Just give me one moment. I am going to start the video. Is everybody seated? Nobody will move here and there. Everybody just stay seated. Okay, are we ready? Everybody can see the screen, I understand. We will just watch the video.
No, I can't see.
1 minute, it will come up. Okay, everybody can see it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to put everyone's mic on mute so we don't have any background noise while we are watching the video. Okay, got it? 1 minute, just give me a moment. All right, shall we start? Here we go.
India has sent 30 tons of
Can you see how that ship has broken in half and all the oil from the ship has fallen into the sea? Right? You can see, how the ship has broken in half. My God, scary, how that happens? Let's go ahead. This is called a cargo ship. What is a cargo ship? A cargo ship is something in which only सामान जाता है. लोग जैसे ट्रेन में इधर उधर जाते हैं ना, similarly trains also have only cargo trains, okay, in which only saman goes from one city to another. People don't travel. It's not a passenger train. Okay, similarly, this is not a passenger ship. We can't go on this ship to roam around places. These kind of ships, which are called cargo ships, they only take saman from one city to another or from one country to another. Okay, let's see ahead.
of technical equipment and material on board an IAF aircraft to Mauritius to help the country contain an oil spill on its pristine southeast coast. A 10-member Indian Coast Guard, ICG, team specializing in containing oil spill has also been deployed to Mauritius to extend necessary technical and operational assistance, the Ministry of External Affairs, MEA, said on Sunday. A Japanese bulk carrier struck a coral reef off the coast of Mauritius in late July and leaked hundreds of tons of oil in the environmentally sensitive region days later. On Saturday, Mauritian authorities said the ship, MV Wakashio, broke apart. Last week, Mauritian Prime Minister Pravind Jugnauth declared a state of environmental emergency and sought international assistance to deal with the situation.
Okay, did you see what happened? We saw that the ship has broken into two. Baapre, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Ship has broken right in the middle of the ocean and the oil from that ship is all flowing into the ocean. Now what is going to happen? India, our country is a great country. Okay. India has decided to help Mauritius in cleaning up the ocean. Very good job by India, isn't it? Let's clap for India. Let's clap for India. India is an amazing country. And we are all proud to be Indians, correct? We are all proud to be Indians. Hamara desh mahan hai. Okay? So India is a very good friend of Mauritius. India is a good friend of Mauritius. So what they have decided to help Mauritius. That's what we do with friends, right? अब कल हम लोग सब एक क्लासरूम में मिलेंगे एंड सपोज राजवी के पास पेंसिल नहीं है, आज वो पेंसिल बॉक्स लाने को भूल गई, तो what we'll do, Maya will say, don't worry Rajvi, I will share my pencils with you. That's what friends would do, right? What if Vihan got a really yummy snack from home और वो गलती से गिर गया फ्लोर में and now he can't eat that? What will Varushka and Tejas do? They will say, don't worry Vihan, we've also got breakfast and snacks from home, we will share it with you, right? We will help our friends, right? That's what we do. So Indian government has told Mauritian government, don't worry, we will help you. Even if it takes a long time to clear out that oil, we are going to help you. Now, अभी अपने घर में कितने लोगों ने देखा है कि सब्जी आता है? माया, तेजस, have you seen सब्जी come home? पापा या मम्मी वेजिटेबल्स लेके आते हैं घर में? लेके आते हैं? 1 किलो भिंडी, 1 किलो टमाटर, 1 किलो आलू, ऐसे लेके आते हैं? सबने देखा है? राजवी देखा है घर में? राजवी is giving a big grin. राजवी देखा है? Have you seen that in the house? 1 किलो कितना रहता है? एक बैग में रहता है, right? Maya, you can sit down from there and show me thumbs up. I can see it from there also. Okay? Maya, sit back. Okay? All right. Can you all hear me now? Everybody, give me a thumbs up from wherever you're sitting and tell me that you can hear me. Thank you. Good. You all can hear me. Okay. So, Maya, I just now told you not to get up from your place and not to touch the phone. Yet you come to touch the phone and give a thumbs up on the phone. Varushka, you've also been told not to do that, no? No touching the phone to give thumbs up. What was my instruction to you all just now? I told you sit from your place and give me a thumbs up. Correct? I am just giving a thumbs up like this, and that's all I want you all also to do. No coming to the phone to touch it and do things on it. No need. No touching phone or no touching laptop. Please. So have you all seen, घर में सब्जी आता है? 1 किलो सब्जी, 1 किलो टमाटर, 1 किलो भिंडी, 1 किलो आलू. देखा है? देखा है ना? Oh, now India has sent tons. Do you know how much is 1 ton? Do you know how much is 1 ton? Almost 1,000 kilos is 1 ton. 1,000 kilos. मतलब 1 किलो टमाटर हमारे घर में आता है, अब उसको 1,000 किलोस करेंगे तो किचन का रूम पूरा भर जाएगा, राइट? उससे भी ज्यादा लगेगा, isn't it? Isn't it? Now, उतने सारे tons, almost tens of tons of cotton India has sent to Mauritius government saying, we will help you remove oil from the ocean. India is doing an amazing job, no? क्या friendship है ना? है कि नहीं? Tons of cotton. Tejas, you remember तुमने 1 spoon तेल डाला था in that bowl of yours and you used इतनू सा cotton. Just so much cotton you used and you dipped it into that oil and that oil slowly came into that cotton, right? And that cotton turned yellow because of the oil, correct? Right? That's what you did. Maya, what are you doing? Sit up straight and listen to me. Okay? So can you imagine if एक ship में से oil गिरा है तो कितना सारा cotton डालना पड़ेगा उसमें to soak up all that oil? Can you imagine? You want to see how it is done? You want to see how India is helping Mauritius clean up the ocean? Yeah? I'm going to show you another video to see that. Ready? See how they use helicopters to clean up. Interesting, no? Come, let's watch it. Come, let's watch it. Okay? Just give me a moment to pull up that video. Okay, it's right here with me. I just need to select it. Just one moment. Huh? Everybody can see the screen? Yeah, everyone can see the screen? Okay, now I'm going to play this clipping.
Indigenously built and designed Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter has been deployed to tackle the Mauritius oil spill situation. Dhruv has been deployed to extricate skimmed oil from a merchant vessel to tug. And these, of course, are visuals of the operation which there has begun. And Indian-made Dhruv, which is an advanced light helicopter indigenously designed and built in India, has been deployed to tackle the situation of oil spill in Mauritius. Dhruv, in fact, would be extricating skimmed oil from a merchant vessel to the tug. Those are visuals of the operation which is currently underway in Mauritius. India has offered to help Mauritius in this situation, which is of course threatening for the environment as well, and Dhruv deployed can be seen in action. Let's go across to our National Affairs editor Srinjoy Chaudhary, who's joining us with more details. India had promised all help to Mauritius, and we can see Dhruv in action there, extricating skimmed oil.
Yes, the most important thing here is that India has always reached out to its neighbors, whether it's Mauritius, as in this case, whether it's other countries. Maldives needs water, India is always there. Other countries have a problem, India is always there. This is another example of that. Here you have pollution fighting authorities, here you have the Air Force, here you have other people who can help in the oil spill, all involved to ensure that this is not some environmental catastrophe. So this is a clear example of India reaching out to all its neighbors whenever they need help. And this is another example of that. Mauritius has always been a close friend and continues to be so. So it is even more imperative that India reaches out and helps Mauritius and people there in the area when you
टीवी, फ्रिज, वॉशिंग मशीन प्रत्येकावर नो कॉस्ट EMI, ग्रेट एक्सचेंज ऑफर्स, ब्रँड वॉरंटी.
जेव्हा काही नवीन घ्यायचं.
Okay, cool. All right. Now I'm going to open up your mics one by one. Okay. Rajvi, can you tell me how you felt when you watched that the helicopter is going on top of that oil spill, touching it, sucking up the oil, and then coming back and dropping that oil filled cotton in another boat? ऐसा कभी पहले देखा है तुमने?
No.
Interesting, no? Would you like to be flying that helicopter? That chopper looks awesome, na? Matlab, it's just flying on top of that ocean. इधर से उधर, उधर से इधर, क्या मस्त लग रहा है. Cool, na? Yeah.
But when I see that cotton thing, I was thinking that it was a sponge, black sponge. Then I understand that was like a cotton.
Yes, it is like a sponge. It is like cotton. Now, you're too small to understand if I have to explain it to you. Yes, Maya, I'm coming to you. Just give me a moment. It would be a little difficult for you to understand what material those things are made of. You know, a new company in India made this new kind of technology with which they can help soak up oil from the ocean. Can you imagine? लोग कितना सोचते हैं, है ना? So much people are thinking and making new things. So I will send you that link also. Okay, you can see it with your parents later. I'm not going to show that now because you may not be able to understand what materials they have used to make those cotton pads to soak up that oil. But you can aram se sit with your parents or your family later on to see and understand that. Okay? Maya, you wanted to say something. Bolo. Maya, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, you were
Yes,
raising your
ma'am.
hand. Bolo.
I was going to tell that what are they holding in that helicopter to pick up that oil from the
That circular thing that they were holding over there, right? Those are those cotton or sponge, big sponge pieces, big cotton pieces, which will be kept right on top of that oil spill. It will only soak up that oil and it can go and be dropped into another place. So that way, dhire, they have to clean the ocean. Okay, Maya, you had submitted your experiment for cleaning oil from water. Did you notice how difficult it was to clean only that portion of oil out of the water without spreading that oil anywhere else? Do you remember how difficult it was? Maya, do you remember how difficult it was for you to clean out that?
I do remember.
Okay. Now, can you imagine that kind of activity has to be done in the ocean? Can you imagine how much cotton you will need to clean up the ocean? Huge amount. I'm now going to go to Vihan. Vihan, did you find the second video interesting? How the chopper is helping clean up the ocean? Vihan, can you hear us?
Yes.
So how did you feel about that second video where you saw the Indian aircraft by the name of Dhruv? Remember, they said Dhruv is looking to clean up. Means इंडिया में या कहीं भी जब भी कोई एक बड़ा सा एरोप्लेन बनता है या एयरक्राफ्ट बनता है या शिप बनता है, हर एक को एक नाम दिया जाता है. So this particular aircraft is called Dhruv. Okay. So how did you feel when Dhruv was cleaning up the ocean?
I saw that helicopter which with a water like a sponge. I was thinking it was a sponge.
It was sponge or maybe a big huge ball of cotton, one of it.
What?
It could be sponge or it could be cotton as well. It will be something that will soak up the oil from top of the ocean. Now you tell me, if if we put cotton into water, it will quickly pull up all the water, right? So if you have to only take out oil, you have to take care that it doesn't touch the water. Now, only when you do this experiment at home, you will know how difficult it is. That's why I want you to do that experiment at home with your family. You have to take care that only and only that oil is touched. If you see Tejas's video that he has submitted last week, if you go to the school's Facebook page, how will you go to the school's Facebook page? अपने से कोई फोन उठा के इधर उधर ढूंढ के नहीं, 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 नहीं. You're going to take help from your parents to check out on our Facebook page. Okay? The school has a Facebook page. Our Facebook page kya hai? It is just an social platform where we can post and everybody can come and see it. Okay? So nothing too great about all that. So if you want to go and check it up, you will tell your parents, Mama, please show me the video that Tejas has posted on the school's page. I want to see how he has done that. Now, when you see that, Mama, please take me to the school's Facebook page. I want to see how Maya has done that experiment. She has posted pictures, it seems. Only when you do that experiment, you will understand how difficult it is to clean up oil from water. हमें यूं ही water को निकाल के दूसरे कंटेनर में नहीं डालना है. Because you can't empty the ocean. Can you empty the ocean? हम एक ओशन को यहाँ से खाली करके दूसरे ओशन में डाल सकते हैं क्या? नहीं ना? ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? ऐसा भी कुछ होता है क्या? नहीं, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Not possible, right? So you have to remember that the container of water has to remain there only. You cannot empty it into another container. Okay? From that, now you have to take out oil. So only if you do that in the house, you will understand that our Indian helicopter of the Indian Air Force, they were saying IAF, means IAF, matlab Indian Air Force. IAF stands for Indian Air Force. Who can tell me which are the three defense forces of our country? Three defense forces of our country. Maya is raising her hand. Yes, Maya, tell me.
Ma'am, what I'm not understanding what you're trying to say.
I am trying to say India has 3 defense forces. Defense मतलब कोई भी हमें अटैक करेगा तो उसको हमसे बचाने के लिए हमारे पास मस्त डिफेंस है. क्या है वो 3 डिफेंस जो हमारे पास है? I'll give you one example.
Aeroplane.
No, think deep, think deep, think deep. I don't want you all to say just because you have to say something. Think. No, Maya. No, 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 no. I'm going to go to Tejas. Tejas, can you tell me what are our defense forces? Jet. What are our defense forces? Rajvi. Yes, Rajvi is raising hand. Tell me, Rajvi.
Helicopter.
Defense force. Defense force. I'm not asking कि एक helicopter क्या है. Defense force क्या है? Yes, Maya. Yes, Air Force and
Water force.
water force. Water force को क्या बोलते हैं?
Boat.
Indian water force को क्या बोलते हैं? Indian Navy. Indian Navy. Yes, Maya, correct. Indian Navy. No, Tejas. Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, and one more. किसने उरी मूवी देखी है? Who has watched the movie Uri?
I
Army, yes, Indian Army. The 3 defense forces that our country has, or any country would have, 3 defense forces: Navy, Air Force, and the Army. Army कहाँ पे fighting करता है? Army ground level पे fighting. Listen. Army कहाँ पे fighting करता है? Army fights at the ground level. Okay? On ground. Army fights on ground. Air Force कहाँ पे fighting करता है? Air Force air में fighting करेगा. That is why you have helicopters. Indian Air Force has helicopters. Okay? And Navy है, Water Force है, वो कहाँ पे fighting करेगा?
Water में.
So you see, land, water and air. कोई भी हमारे country को attack करने आएगा ना, so we have 3 types of defense. क्या है? Land, water and air. You all have learned this in your transport, right? You have learned, no? Air transport, water transport and land transport. Now, apart from just moving from one place to another, you also have to take care of defense. कि कोई हमको अटैक करेगा, क्यों अटैक करेगा वो सब पता नहीं, वो थोड़ा बड़ा होने के बाद देखेंगे. बट अगर अटैक किया तो क्या होगा? आर्मी है, इंडियन एयरफोर्स है, इंडियन नेवी है, तीनों सब तरफ से फाइटिंग के लिए खड़े हो जाएंगे. कूल ना? क्या सही है? कूल ना? टू मच है कि नहीं? सही. So, who would like to join the Indian Army? I just generally want to ask this question because we are talking about defense. Huh? Varushka wants to join Indian Army. Arey wah. Arey Vihan Singh as well. Cool. Who wants to join Indian Air Force? Air Force किसको join करना है? हवा में helicopter का काम करना होगा. You can become a pilot. Wow, Tejas is raising his hand. Wow, he wants to be a pilot. Cool. Navy में किसको काम करना है? Indian Navy, बड़ा शिप चलाना होगा. बड़ा शिप. Indian Navy में कौन जाएगा? किसको जाना है? माया and Rajvi. अरे वाह, लगता है our entire class is going to be in the air defense. Vihan and Varushka in the Indian Army, Tejas Patil in the Air Force, and Rajvi and Maya in the Navy. Too much. Clap for yourself. Super job. Even the very fact that you want to be in the defense is a very good thing. Very good. Okay. So on that note, your sir has arrived for the next class. Now what are we going to do? Listen to me carefully. I'm going to take 2 more minutes. You are going to do that last week's experiment today. Okay? You're going to take that bowl, put some water in it, you're going to do the oil in it. You're going to try to take it out with either a thick tissue paper, kitchen tissue paper, or with a thick blob of cotton. Okay? You're going to try to take it off. All right? And then you're going to see and imagine how it is done in an ocean. Okay? Ocean is a huge water body. How it is done in the ocean. Maya, no, I'm still talking, Maya. Sit down. Imagine we spoke about 1 kilo of tomato and how much it would be, like tons of thousands of tomatoes.
1,000.
है ना?
1,000.
So that much of help,
1 million.
that much of help Indian government has sent with cotton to the Mauritius government to clean up the ocean. Cool, no? Okay? I'm going to send these videos to you. You're going to sit and watch it with your family and you're going to do that experiment and send it over to us. All right? Will you do that? Will you do that?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Is it your snack time now? Is it your snack break now?
Yes.
Gobble food. Gobble, gobble, gobble food and quickly come back. आज snack break मत लो, चलेगा. Sir आ गए हैं, आज snack break मत लो.
Snack break at this time, but I didn't know why my but today no.
It's okay. It's okay. थोड़ा सा लेट खाओ, चलेगा. कभी कभी हमको सब एडजस्ट करना चाहिए. We're all big kids, no?
I can't see my snack.